Guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another McLaren video. This video we're gonna be start working on the doors. So this car, it takes longer than usually for many reasons. We had to go through Thanksgiving, Christmas, New Year, all this holidays, so I didn't really want to spend the time over here in the shop. On top of that, getting the parts, it wasn't that easy. And then the car is waiting for paint job, and the shop is actually always packed. And this week, end of this week, or maybe beginning of the next week, this car is going to the paint shop. That's why we're trying to change the glass on the doors. That way we close it and no dust or dirt, nothing goes inside. So we're gonna start working on the doors right now. How cool the doors are on the McLaren when they open like that. That's probably my favorite type of doors that open like that. But try to do any work on them. Look. You know what I mean? Alright, so I'm gonna try to get everything from this position and we'll see how it's gonna work, because all the stuff is gonna start falling on me. If that's not gonna work, then we always can pull the door out. It's only 4 bolts and the wire to disconnect it, that's it. But I'll try from here. Finally it's out. Man, I'm telling you, I think this is the worst door panel I ever pulled on any cars. When did we do Ferrari? Not long ago? That thing was easy.
Where's the window at?
Wait, what?
Okay, how are we supposed to get the window?
I guess they're gonna slide it to here, but kind of connected everything to it. Man.
Yeah, we'll have to figure it out somehow.
Speakers.
Speakers, maybe this pops out, we'll have to look at it.
Yeah, but dude, this thing has like bunch of screws and they're all different and they're hidden somewhere. But it's out. Alright, so this is not that complicated. We have like pretty good clearance to this bolt to lose it. And then this is gonna open a little bit. We'll clean up the old glass. And then from the top, we'll drop the new glass, slide it inside, tight the bolt, and it's gonna stay there. That's first one, which we go through the speaker hole. And then the second one, it's right there. And it's gonna be pretty easy to get to that one too. There it is.
So we just unpacked this one, but this is for the driver's side. And that's for the passenger side. We're gonna take that off and then probably even install this if we have time today.
You know what I hate? They use scotch sticky tape on the glass.
Hopefully it doesn't leave any glue.
Huh?
I hope it doesn't leave any glue, but
well,
oh no.
I mean, I always can clean with alcohol, but look at that. Pretty nice, huh?
Ooh, don't drop it.
So I forgot how much did I pay for the glass. I think it was like 1,200 from the dealer.
Yeah. So we just pulled these clips out that holds the window. That was full of glass, so we pulled them out to clean them. We're gonna clean them good, make sure there's no broken glass in there. And then the window just slides in here, and then it hooks up inside to the other bracket, and then you tighten it, and it squeezes like a sandwich like that.
Right, so for now, because the door is in this position, all the glass from inside actually fell in that one corner, which is gonna make it easier to clean. All you have to do is get to that corner, which is gonna be pretty easy going through the speaker hole. So we're gonna clean right now and then drop the new glass in. Man, would it be so much easier if the door opens regular like any car?
Alright, so the glass is in. It went pretty easy because we had this channel to guide us. I put the glass in there and slid it in, and then it lined up in there. So everything lined up, it went right inside the bracket. The rubber pieces there, it went all the way down. Same thing in here and to the channel. And then also this bracket lined up as well. So the glass is in, all we have to do is tighten the bolts. And then we'll close the door and check if everything opens and closes really good.
Right guys, we're gonna give it a try. I go up. There he is. It covers where it's supposed to be, so it works pretty good. Alright, nice. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the door panel back and go from there. Works pretty good. Right, so this door is done, which means we're out of here. Right guys, so we did run into a problem. Basically, when we did the glass on that door, the car was working just fine. And somebody came and did some work on the frame. Well, it's not done yet. The car is gonna go to the shop and get all cleaned up and look nice, clean looking. But after that, the car doesn't start no more. It has the power and everything, it just doesn't start. And yes, he did disconnect the battery when he did the welding, so I don't think it burned any fuse or any computers. I'll probably start with putting all this together the way it was. Maybe somewhere the ground is disconnected and give it a try. Maybe it will start. Right guys, so far we can get this car to start. I checked the fuse, I checked the relays. All the ground is connected, there's no wires they're touching, the battery is good, and it doesn't listen to the key. It locks, unlocks and everything, but when I'm inside the car, sometimes it tells me the key is missing, which I just put a new battery on the key. And I guess after me disconnecting the battery and putting back, the alarm went on. And after that, the car doesn't want to start. And I'm thinking maybe there's like a security code or something that doesn't let the car start. It's like I lost the connection between the car and the key. And now I have to kind of work with the key to get the car to read the key somehow. Because we tried everything, nothing works. It gives me gray hair. And we kind of did some researching, called some people and kind of get the idea what to do, how to make the car work with the key, and I'll try that, see if that works. If not, then plan B would be to take this car to the dealer. I want to go inside and show you guys what it does. When I'm pressing the start button, Everything goes on and then off. Like a second, 2 seconds later, goes on and off. Even if I hold the button, just doesn't want to do anything. So yeah, this is what we have to deal with. So for now, I'm gonna keep locking, unlocking a few times. Oh, that hurts my ears. And then I'm gonna go inside and try to start using the key. Instead of pressing with the finger, I'm gonna press with the key. And I'll have to do that until it's gonna work. Nothing so far, so I'm gonna lock the car, unlock, and go again and again and again. All right, so the battery is good, but to be sure, I also connect the charger. I'm gonna keep locking and unlocking, and then go try again. All right, so I had to pull everything and keep the key somewhere behind this. Maybe that's gonna do something, I don't know, but now it works better. Is like we almost started, so I'll try again. So now at least it's spinning. Ooh, that was so close. Oh my gosh, it's on! Woo! Yes, it's on. Man, that's a big stress release. But look at those lights. Every light is on. Oh my goodness. All of them. Crazy. But yeah, finally this thing is on. So glad that we get to start this car. That's a lot less gray hair for me. Basically, I called the dealer just to ask how much the battery would be, and they say 3,000 something plus tax. That's close to 4,000 just the battery. And the reason I called them because I couldn't do nothing. We tried so much to start this car and nothing would work, and I called them to see if they can fix it, and they said yes. But they told me to, because the car was in parking, so it wouldn't move. All the four wheels are blocked, so they told me to take the car apart and disconnect the brakes and all this stuff. A lot of work. And if I asked them if I don't do it, if they're gonna do it, then they said it's gonna cost you a lot. Even just to get the car to start, it would cost me a lot. Imagine the battery is only like 4,000, but just get the car to start, that's gonna be a lot. And I'm poor, I don't wanna pay them. But now the car is working. We did it with zero money and I'm really happy. So from now we're gonna start working step by step and get the car ready, because it's been a little while since we bought the car and not much happened, but now we're gonna get it done fast. So you guys stay tuned. Thanks for watching our videos. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Find us on Instagram. It's a custom auto builds. I'll catch you guys later.